Welcome to Respond.io. If this is your first time opening the platform, this video is for you. We're going to cover the basics of connecting your first channel and answering your first message. I'll be running through these steps with you in the corner of your screen. So we're going to start by connecting a channel. To do that, head to Settings and press Add Channel. We have a bunch of channels to choose from. For now, I'm going to go for Facebook Messenger because I have a Facebook page handy. Here, I'll press Connect with Facebook. At this point, you might be asked to sign in. Signing in will give permission to access your Facebook pages. So once you've signed in, you'll see a list of pages that you're admin on. You can select the page you want and press Done. So now you're ready to start messaging. Let's check out the Messages module. Any message sent after you connect a channel will appear here. Looks like I've already got my first message. So you can see the new message is displayed under the new filter. This is because the contact is waiting for a response. We call that status pending, and because the contact has not been assigned to anyone yet. I'm actually going to send this contact a message. If they are unassigned, they will automatically be assigned to me. I can find any contact assigned to me in the Mind filter. Now that I'm taking care of this contact, I can decide what to do next. If I think someone else in the team can help them, I can always assign them to one of my colleagues. But I think I'm actually done with this contact, so I'm going to mark them as done. The contact is removed from the Mind filter, but the chat history is saved. If this contact messages us again, their status will change to pending, and they will appear under the new filter again. So we haven't had a chance to go through everything in this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, as well as check out our other videos. And for all your business messaging needs, keep it Respond.io.